Roxanne, it's gotta be
action. Yeah, pull up in the white ghost like I'm Casper. Never switch. I stay 10 toes on the mission.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're jumping straight into the video. I'm starting on freshly washed hair, so I'm just going to be showing you guys how I moisturize my hair. I'm using the Mega Growth Daily Leave-In Strengthener, and I'm also going to be using their growth oil to seal in all of the moisture. This is pretty much how I like to moisturize my hair. I like to do it in like 4 sections, just so I'm able to properly like coat all of my strands with the product. So that's pretty much all you guys are seeing me do. I'm just massaging the product into my hair. And here, as you can see, I'm just going to be using the oil, and I really love these products, you guys, because like I can actually get away with just a leave-in and an oil. I don't actually need a cream. My hair is low porosity anyway, so I don't need too much product. Anyway, you guys can see how moisturized my hair looks. This is the style I'm going to attempt to recreate. And this is my first section. I'm going to be doing a lot of my parts off camera because it's really hard for me to part my hair when it's damp, but I made it work. Anyways, now I'm going to be starting my flat twist. This style is super simple, you guys. I'm not using any gel, I'm not using any extensions. I'm just doing a very simple flat twist protective style. And if you don't know how to flat twist, you can slow down this video or you can just watch. I never really sat down to practice how to flat twist, that's the truth. I just watched somebody else do it and I just went on my hair and I was able to do it as well. I feel like a lot of times we just complain about things like, oh, I can't do this, but you've probably never even like actually sat down to try to do it on your own hair. So if you struggle with flat twisting, I have a bunch of flat twist videos. You can just go watch all of them and try to do it on your hair at the same time. Like, I feel like watching me do it might just help you do it properly, but I'm also going to be explaining how I flat twist my hair, so please keep on watching.
We're reaching for the stars. We're making this too hard, and I wonder where you are.
So to flat twist my hair, I start with 2 strands of hair as if I was doing a regular twist, but then every time my index finger goes through the hair, I grab some hair from the top, as you can see, and then the other hand is just helping to like continue the twist. So every time my index finger goes through, I grab some hair and then I twist. That's pretty much it, you guys. Like, it is super simple. You just want to use one finger to continue to grab hair from the top and add it to the bottom, and then what the other finger is also helping you do is separate the hair that you have added from the rest of the hair. So it's like helping you pinch and grab that hair out of the rest of the hair so that you can make an actual twist. It's really easy, you guys. Honestly, don't feel like intimidated or anything. Just look at what I'm doing. Sit down with your hair. You don't need to have clean parts or anything. Just practice, and you see that in no time you'd really be able to do this. Anyway, I'm just going to continue flat twisting my hair. As you guys can see, I'm doing the exact same method here. Every time my finger goes through my hair, I'm just grabbing some hair and adding it to the twist, and that's pretty much all I'm going to be doing. I really love doing flat twists, you guys. I feel like it's one of the most perfect like protective styles. It's super quick. It doesn't take as much time as doing cornrows, and then when you take them down, you actually get like a nice twist out. I don't know, I feel like I don't have that type of hair that like you can do 5 chunky cornrows and then get a nice braid out. You guys let me know down below in the comments, but I feel like some people just have really nice hair that when they do 5 cornrows, they can end up with a nice like braid out, but my hair can never do that. Like, if I cornrow my hair, best believe the best thing I'm going to get is stretched hair. I'm not going to get any type of definition whatsoever that I can actually wear out. So this is why I definitely prefer doing flat twists, because I can still get some type of definition whenever I take my flat twist down.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than
So when I get to the end of the twist, I like to take my detangling brush just to brush it as well to make sure that I don't have any tangles, and then I just go ahead and twist the rest of my hair down. Also, while you're flat twisting, I'd advise you to have a comb or a brush handy so that if you find that you're having any kind of tangles, you can just like brush that section out and continue flat twisting. You really want your hair to be fully detangled while you flat twist. I feel like that's one of the things that can really get you frustrated. If your hair is not detangled, then you're going to get into a lot of knots, you're going to get into a lot of tangles, and then your fingers will not just be able to like slide through your hair comfortably. So you definitely want to make sure that your hair is fully detangled to do the style. If you're a beginner with flat twisting, you also want to try to grab tiny sections. So remember how I said your index finger goes through and it's grabbing like some hair from the top? Try to make sure that when you're separating, you're getting only tiny sections at a time, because if you grab a really huge section, it's going to get very overwhelming very quick. Like even with me, I've been flat twisting for years, but sometimes if I grab a really huge section, the flat twist just becomes a little too thick and it just becomes really difficult for me. So I just loosen the entire thing and I start from the beginning again, and I make sure that I'm grabbing small sections. And also, if you'd like to recreate this hairstyle and the zigzag parts are kind of intimidating for you, please feel free to part your hair however you want. I feel like that's the whole idea of being creative. When you see a style, you don't necessarily have to do it the exact same way someone else has done it before. Put your own like creative spin to it. The picture I used for reference, I believe the girl did 10 flat twists, but I only had 9 in my hair, and I tried to mimic her parts as like well as I could. I'm obviously not going to try to kill myself to get the straightest parts. As long as you can part your hair down and just do a couple flat twists, that's fine. The idea is to keep your hair moisturized and to keep your ends tucked away and to protect your hair, not to have perfect parts, okay? So this is the last section of my hair, and as you guys can see, I'm just doing the same thing. I'm flat twisting it backwards, and when I get towards the back of my hair, I like to do my flat twist like this instead, because it's just a lot easier and my hands cannot stretch all the way to the back of my head anyway to like do the flat twist. So I'm just going to go ahead and make my last twist. Yay, the style is like complete. Oh my god, you guys have no idea the amount of joy I have in my heart every time I finish doing my hair. Like my arms finally stop hurting. Like honestly, you have no freaking idea. But anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and use some edge control to like touch up my edges just to make the style look neater. You definitely do not have to do this. It's very optional. On a daily basis, I don't have the time to do my edges, you guys, trust me. But like when I make videos and take pictures, I like to make sure everything looks cute, you know, like everything looks really nice. The finishing looks good, you know, it looks really like professional, as if I just stepped out of the salon, but not really, you know. So now that I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and accessorize my hair. I really like to accessorize my hair. You guys know this by now. I don't even need to explain myself, and I'm sure you guys love me the way I am. But anyway, I'm just taking these gold hair clips, and I'm just going to use that to accessorize my hair. And after this, I'm just going to tie my hair down. It's really important to tie the style down, especially if you don't use any gel, and then sleep with a bonnet, of course. And the next day, this is what my hair looks like. I feel like it came out really cute. Like my hair is shiny, it's really moisturized, like my parts look really nice, and yeah, I just really love the style. It's really easy and really quick. If you recreate, please don't forget to tag me, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.